Chemical bonding refers to the attractive forces that hold atoms together in a molecule or a crystal. There are four primary types of chemical bonding. Covalent bonding. Covalent bonding involves the sharing of electrons between atoms. This type of bonding typically occurs between nonmetal atoms. In a covalent bond, each atom contributes one or more electrons to a shared electron pair, resulting in a stable molecule. Ionic bonding. Ionic bonding involves the transfer of electrons from one atom to another. This type of bonding typically occurs between a metal and a nonmetal. In an ionic bond, the metal atom loses one or more electrons to become a positively charged ion, while the nonmetal atom gains one or more electrons to become a negatively charged ion. The resulting oppositely charged ions are held together by electrostatic attraction. Dative covalent bonding. Dative covalent bonding, also known as coordinate covalent bonding, occurs when one atom donates both electrons in a covalent bond. This type of bonding is common in complex ions and in molecules containing atoms with incomplete valence shells. Metallic bonding. Metallic bonding occurs in metals and involves the sharing of a pool of electrons among all the metal atoms in the crystal lattice. This type of bonding results in a high degree of electrical conductivity, thermal conductivity, and malleability in metals.